more minutes.
Go.
Can you tell me about what you're thinking?
Yeah. So this is the amount of area the light covered. This would have come off to here.
Okay.
And the longer the lines, the brighter it is.
Okay.
So this is really dim, so I also shaded it in a little. But this one's super bright.
What's 12 divided by 4?
12 divided by 4. 3.
Okay. And how many times farther away is this light than this light?
3.
Okay. How do you think we'd be able to make this piece of paper look as bright as this piece of paper?
We'd have to move this one up.
What else could we do?
Change this one brighter.
Okay. How many more times brighter do you think?
3.
So I think these lights have a 1 click, 2 click, 3 clicks. I'm not sure if the 3 clicks is 3 times as brighter, but maybe we could try that.
Yeah. Oh, whoops.
All right, you got 1 minute.
Cut.
Finish up your drawing or finish up the thoughts you're on. Yeah, put your name at the top or somewhere on the paper, please. Put your name
Oh,
at the paper.
and I made it like this because it's kind of at like a slanted angle. That way you can see how bright it is on it.
Okay, so while Cash is finishing up, so Lincoln had the idea that we could maybe make the Mabel's light brighter, and like so Mabel, how much brighter do you think we need to make your light to make it look the same as Cash's light?
Maybe 1 notch or 2 or 3.
Okay. Which one do you like? Make a prediction. Which one do you think is going to be? Is it going to be 1 notch brighter or 2 notches brighter? There's only 3 notches total. So.
2.
Okay. Why do you think that?
Because I'm kind of 2 or 3 feet farther away from Cash, so I think it might need a lot brighter.
Okay. All right. Well, let's try it. Lincoln, can you just hold up? I'll get you two new pieces of paper.
Okay. Because me and Cash wrote on these two.
Yep.
Well, I can just hold these pieces of paper up again.
That's fine.
And then we can write on them.
New piece of paper.
We'll just write on these ones again.
Cash, you ready?
Not yet.
Cash, can I quick just turn this off?
Yep.
While you finish?
Lincoln, you might want to cover your eyes. Mine is going to be super bright.
I think I was about here.
Lincoln, you might want to cover, close your eyes. Mine's going to be
I'm probably good. I probably am.
Okay. Come on, let's do this. You can finish it later, buddy. So Cash, this is on the dimmest setting. Mabel, what's yours on?
No,
The brightest?
3. Yeah.
It's on 3, okay. Hold them up, Link. Try to hold them still. Alright, shine the lights on there, guys. What do you notice?
They're the same. My shadow has a shadow.
Yeah. Okay, but look at the paper. What do you know? What do you think?
They're the same. Kind of the same.
They're pretty close. So now,
This
okay,
one's
so
still
now,
dimmer.
so what does that tell you? Like so the distance affects it, but what else affects it?
There's some light coming from the kitchen.
The
So it
amount
makes
of
it-
light.
What do you mean by the amount of light? Turn the lights off.
So we turned Mabel's up
I see.
2 notches,
Uh-huh.
which made it so that it was almost the same as Cash's.
Cashy, turn it off. I'll take the lights.
And Cash's we kept the same, and it was still, and it made it so that Mabel's was almost the same as Cash's.
Maybe
Okay.
a little
Cash and
brighter.
Mabel, what do you think? Like how would you summarize, like what affects how bright a light looks? Put the pencils down. Think about that question again. What affects how bright a light looks? Think in your head. Maybe. Give me one thing.
How dark it is, it makes the light brighter. How light it is makes the light dimmer.
Ah, okay.
Mine is dimmer probably because there was light coming from the kitchen.
Cash, what do you got?
The amount of light.
Okay. Lincoln?
The amount of power given to the light.
Okay. What else? So all three of those were about brightness. The brighter the light is, the brighter the light looks. What else affects how bright a light looks? Think back to our first investigation. What made Mabel's light look dim?
Distance.
Okay. Mabel?
Distance and light.
Okay.
Other light coming
Okay.
from behind us.
So now, flip your drawings over, and on the back, it's fine. I still want you to do this. I need to. Yep, you can finish later. So let's look at two lights on here. So we have, let's look at this really bright light. Let me see what I'm pointing at.
Oh yeah, that one would be bright one.
And then let's look at this light up here. Kind of a, here, give me your pencil.
It's kind of above
I'll
the
get it.
pie. It's kind of above the pie.
So this light and this light. And I want you to explain why does the first light, like what are some reasons the first light might be brighter than the second light? No, I want you to write that.
Oh.
Why might the first light be brighter than the second light? Right. Good question. Okay. Why might the first light be brighter than the second light?
Can you feel brighter?
B.